Yeah, thanks for that, Agam. And all of these auto stocks are buzzing today on the back of a tweet that Elon Musk had put out yesterday that he's looking forward to meeting Prime Minister Modi in India. Now, this comes on the back of news flow that the company is scouting for its for land for its factory within India, and there are certain stocks that we feel will be a key beneficiary of this within the auto component space. Now, let's start with Sona BLW. Now, the company already has a 28% revenue share coming from the EV sector and has been one of the key listings in this particular space and has been on a tear after listing as well. The second one that we're tracking is Sansera Engineering. Now, the company has an 18% of its current order book coming from the EV space as well, and this continues to grow quarter on quarter as well. And going forward with the entry of the likes of Tesla in India, this share is just looking to go forward. The third one that we're tracking is Motherson Sumi. Now, this is a giant in the auto OEM space. Currently, they have roughly 21% of its revenues coming from India, while Europe as well as the other export markets have slowed. Entry of such players in India would be key for Motherson Sumi to increase their revenue from countries like India, and that would be a key beneficiary also as going forward. The fourth one we're tracking is Varroc Engineering. Now, this is a smaller auto OEM stock, is always in the news. They have got new EV orders, which they expect are better than the industry and look to increase the revenue from this particular space. They also say that the content per vehicle remains higher for them for EVs compared to ICE or petrol or diesel engines going forward as well. The fifth one that we're tracking is Endurance Tech. Now, currently 8.5% of its total order book is from this from the EV space, and they see that roughly almost like 25 to 30% of their revenue comes from four-wheelers. So going forward, such orders from the likes of Tesla would be one of the key for Endurance Tech. And finally, a bearings company, SKF as well. We see that the number of bearings are coming down. That's what the company has been saying in Q3 con call. But for EVs, the bearings have come down, but the price per bearing has gone up. And so going forward, they expect this momentum to go. And finally, Uno Minda. Now, while the revenue from the four-wheelers comes at roughly 49%, they don't have any kind of exposure to these global OEMs. So entry of such big players in India will definitely augur well for the company. So these are some of the stocks in the auto component space that we feel will be the key beneficiary, but we await further details on Tesla's entry in India. Back to you.